Huawei has recently revealed a game-changing innovation in the form of the Avatr 11, an autonomous driving-enabled vehicle that has the potential to disrupt the automotive industry. Boasting 34 sensors, 12 ultrasonic radars, lane change assist, and an array of cutting-edge tech features coupled with a futuristic design, the Avatr 11 has the capability to reshape the entire automotive landscape. In the creation of this vehicle, Huawei has capitalized on its smartphone manufacturing expertise to develop a stylish and connected car capable of autonomous driving. While Huawei is primarily recognized as a global leader in information and communications technology, ICT infrastructure, and smart devices, the Avatr 11 showcases the company's versatility and expansion into the automotive sector. Despite not being a traditional car manufacturer, Huawei has captured attention with its exceptional electric vehicle (EV) offerings, particularly the new SUV. The Avatr 11 has gained significant traction, with over 5,000 orders placed within a week of the company opening orders in October 2022. Huawei has ambitious projections, anticipating sales of its SUV to reach a substantial 100,000 units in 2023, an impressive feat for a relatively new entrant in the automotive market. So, what distinguishes the Avatr 11 from the rest? Huawei's latest electric vehicle, EV, is surpassing its competitors in China, and the Avatr 11 has garnered significant popularity among automotive enthusiasts due to its remarkable features. The recent launch of the single-motor version of the Avatr 11 marks a significant milestone for the brand. This fully electric midsize SUV coupe is built on the EP1 platform, a collaborative effort between CATL, Changan, and Huawei, known as the CHN Smart Platform. The dimensions of the Avatr 11 are noteworthy, standing at 192.1 inches in length, 77.6 inches in width, 62.99 inches in height, and featuring a wheelbase of 117.12 inches. With a choice between 4 or 5 seats and 22-inch wheels, the vehicle is equipped with the Huawei Drive One drive system. The single-motor Avatr 11 boasts a power output of 308 GP and 370 nanometers of torque, achieving an acceleration from 0 to 100 km per h in 6.6 seconds, slightly slower than its dual-motor counterpart. Avatr offers 2 trim sizes, with the base trim featuring a 90 kWh lithium-ion battery offering a range of 600 km, and the higher trim equipped with a 116 kWh battery for a cruising range of 705 km. Featuring a standard full-stack high-voltage 750V electrical platform with a maximum charging power of 240 kilowatts, the single-motor Avatr 11 provides drivers with a range of 200 kilometers from just a 10-minute charge. Avatr, a joint venture brand involving CATL, Changan Automobile, and Huawei, emerged from a partnership between Changan and NIO in 2018. While NIO withdrew due to a financial crisis, KTL stepped in as the second-largest shareholder, holding 17.1% of the shares, with Changan Automobiles being the majority shareholder at 40.99%. Interestingly, Huawei, despite not holding any shares in Avatr, plays a crucial role in the company. Responsible for supplying hardware, including electric motors and software for connectivity, infotainment, and intelligent driving. Huawei is the driving force behind the autonomous capabilities of the Avatr 11. Introduced in 2021 and officially unveiled in August 2022, the Avatr 11 represents the inaugural offering from the brand. This fully electric crossover midsize SUV is built on the CHN EP, one platform jointly developed by Huawei and Changan, featuring a dual-motor powertrain and a choice between 2 battery options, 90 kWh and 116 kWh. The Avatr 11 boasts a futuristic and elegantly simple exterior design. The front face features LED lights on both sides, with unique headlights, daytime running lights, and turn signals on either side of the bumper, adding dynamism to its styling. The SUV exudes a sporty vibe with large rims and muscular fenders, complemented by a set of about 34 smart driving sensors, a high-speed NCA, and full-stack smart car solutions developed by Huawei. These sensors, including millimeter-wave radar, semi-solid-state radar, ultrasonic radar, and hidden cameras, play integral roles in the car's assisted driving system. The Avatr 11 is equipped with retractable door handles, side scuffles carrying cameras, and conventional side mirrors on the doors. The rear of the SUV features a distinctive design, with converging window lines forming a sharp V shape, combining SUV and coupe characteristics. A lift spoiler at the rear enhances vehicle stability and reduces wind resistance at high speeds, accompanied by a panoramic, segmented sunroof. The interior of the Avatr 11 is equally, if not more, stylish than its exterior. An ambient light strip surrounds the interior, offering a driving experience synchronized with music or voice control. The center control features 3 screens, with the main floating screen powered by Huawei's Harmony OS system measuring 15.6 inches, and passenger screen and instrument panels both at 10.25 inches. Additional interior features include an intelligent fragrance system, fatigue monitoring, emotion recognition, voice and gesture control, wireless phone charging, out-of-car cockpit perception, ultraviolet sterilization, and a 5G communication system. The oval-shaped sporty steering wheel complements the mainly control-free cabin, although seats and windows retain conventional button controls. All 4 seats can be voice-controlled and are covered in Nappa leather and microfiber suede. The Avatr 11 is available as a 4- or 5-seater EV, with each seat featuring double-function massage and heating capabilities. The spacious interior also houses a premium sound system comprising 14 speakers, a 12-channel power amplifier, a road noise cancellation system, and an active sound enhancement system. As previously mentioned, the Avatr 11 boasts an impressive self-driving capability, propelled by a sophisticated autonomous driving system comprising 34 sensors, 3 semi-solid-state LiDARs, 12 ultrasonic radars, 6 millimeter wave radars, and 13 cameras, all seamlessly controlled by Huawei's computing platform. The dual-motor variant of the Huawei Avatr 11 enters the market with a starting price of $52,000, while the more recent single-motor version ranges from $46,850 to $50,930. Since its debut, this exceptional electric vehicle, EV, has dominated sales in China, capturing nearly 12% of the premium battery electric vehicle, BEV, SUV segment in February 2023, placing third, surpassed only by the NIO ES6 and BMW NIO 3. Notably, it outperformed popular models such as the Xpeng G9, NIO ES7, BYD Tang EV, and NIO EC6. Regrettably, this automotive marvel has yet to grace the US market, leaving enthusiasts yearning for its arrival. Despite the uncertainty surrounding its availability in the United States, the Avatr 11's success in China is a testament to Huawei's prowess beyond information and communications technology. The vehicle has become a symbol of innovation, featuring advanced tech components like an intelligent fragrance system, fatigue monitoring, emotion recognition, voice and gesture control, and an exceptional sound system. The true showstopper, however, is the autonomous driving capability, which distinguishes the Avatr 11 from its competitors. Enabled by Huawei's computing platform and an intricate array of sensors, the self-driving functionality is nothing short of awe-inspiring. As we eagerly await its potential entry into the US market, the Avatr 11 stands as a testament to Huawei's seamless integration of cutting-edge technology into the automotive landscape, leaving enthusiasts on the edge of their seats in anticipation.